Good afternoon. I'm back again to work on my my scavenger hunt little book, and today I'm going to do a toilet paper flower, a page of white, and something stitched, something with stitching. So what I have to do, okay, here's my page of white that I'm going to use. I folded up toilet paper and I stitched round and round in the middle. So I have a white toilet paper flower that I am going to put on a page of white with white stitching. And to make the flower, what I'm going to do, I just folded the toilet paper up. I am going to just tear this out like so. Stuff's in the way. Okay. You can barely see this something with stitching, but okay. If you tear them out at different lengths and in different places, your flower will stay nice and scrunched up and look like a little mum. So let's get rid of some of our mess. That layer's a little funky. There we go. And you just want to separate the layers a little bit. And it looks like a corsage. So we're going to put that in with some of our lovely glue. Oh, that looks like maybe I need to put some glue under there. Come on now. There we go. Okay, so we have something with stitching, which is 68. A page of white, which is 50. And a toilet paper flower, which is 36. Okay. Then the next thing I want to do is I have to do a place that I want to visit. It's a place you want to visit. Shoes and a hand or footprint. I don't know where that hand or footprint is, but I'll find it in a minute. So I thought I would do that page next, and I think I'm going to do it right here. And what I have is, I have this map of Utah, which has a lot of the national parks in it. I think I'll just put the whole thing. I would like to visit the national parks. And there are 5 national parks in Utah. We hope to be going there in March. So that's my place I want to visit, is the national parks. Pretty much any of them. Okay, so that fits in there. That's fine. Okay. I think I'm just going to put that down so I don't have to worry about it. But I was going to put National Park from this little picture I have. Don't know where I'll put that just yet. The thing of it is that I have these fun footprints, and I don't know if you can see them. You see those footprints right there? Now, those are footprints. So, I'm going to take those footprints and put them all the way across there. Okay. That I have more footprints that I'm going to put on there. So that it looks like a little trail of footprints all the way across. Yeah. Okay. Okay, where do I want to put these? Oh, right there, I think. Okay. I have one more little set of them. There we go. Right. And now we need some shoes. And shoes is one of our little things. So these are hiking boots and they are shoes. So I think they belong on this page. With our little footprints. Okay. Alrighty, let's see, put that on the floor. Where do I want to put them? I think. Oh, I just think I'll put them. Oh. Okay, yeah. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so that is, let's see here. A place I want to visit, which is 65. A hand or footprint, which is 49. Shoes, which is 42. And what was the other one? There was another one, wasn't there? Why did I think there was a fourth one? Okay. Choose. So, well, I guess that's all there was for that one, was just the 3. So, that is my place I want to visit, my footprint, and my shoes. And that's probably better be it for the day. We also did page of white, toilet paper flower, and something with stitching. I also have pages in here with stitching, so I thought the something with stitching being the flower is fine. So we did pretty good. We got 6 more things off of our list. So yay! I'm going to go ahead and read you a quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity and get busy with something else. Often you will have to fit creative work around your day job. That is not a problem as long as you treat turning up late to either job as an equally serious manner. I like that one a lot. Often you will have to fit creative work around your day job. That is not a problem as long as you treat turning up late to either job as an equally serious matter. Okay, guys, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.